Guys, this is what happened last night, this morning, early in the morning, around 6 o'clock. Yeah, the tree, it was like a big, huge thunderstorm, and the thunder just broke the half of the tree down. Yeah, right next to the power cords. I mean, the power cords just shouldn't be. And the big tree, it was just half. It was just half, and it's like not getting down and all. It was crazy. Yeah, yeah, guys. I think. Yeah, including the power cords. The power cords is a little down. It's down. And look at that other one.
God is good. Thank you, Jesus. Ooh, thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank
I'm
you.
glad nobody got hurt in the name of Jesus, though. Thank goodness. But yeah, it's crazy.